This video is sponsored by Nayosmart. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Tech Uncovered. If you're new here, this is a video series where I do short reviews of products that brands have sent to me, but I may sometimes also cover some products that I bought with my own money. Alright, without further delay, let's get to the first item on this list, and that is the Nayosmart UL2 Sling Bag. This is a 3.3 liter sling bag that has a hidden expandable compartment in the middle. It fits small water bottles and foldable umbrellas, or even a sweaty gym towel that you may want to keep separate from the rest of your stuff. The fabric is made of 200D ripstop nylon, which offers water and tear resistance, and their zippers also have a water repellent coating. I have placed this under light shower, and it does indeed offer decent protection against rain for about 2 to 3 minutes. The towel in the main compartment is surprisingly very dry, but the towel in the smaller front compartment did get slightly wet, and this is most likely because the flap at the front creates a drain that collects water and causes them to seep through the zippers. Even though this bag is only 3.3 liters in capacity, it still has plenty of compartments inside to organize your things. And that is why I found myself using the Nayosmart bag a lot more frequently compared to my Bellroy Light Sling Mini Sling Bag, because although that one has a slightly larger capacity, it doesn't have much compartments, but the Nayosmart one has a lot of compartments to organize my things. It can fit a 7.9-inch tablet like an iPad mini, a handheld fan, a wallet, AirPods Pro, a phone, and also a small umbrella. There is also a rear hidden pocket for sensitive belongings like your passport, so it's great for travel as well. So if this small and multi-feature sling bag is something that you have been looking for, I do have a 10% promo code for you to save some money, and you can check out the bag for yourself through the link in the description below. Thanks to Nayosmart again for sponsoring this video. Next up, the ESR Qi2.2 wireless charger with Cryoboost technology. This is ESR's latest 3-in-1 wireless charger with the new Qi2.2 standard, and it was made to replace the previous Qi2 version, which I've reviewed before in the past. Based on some initial charging tests that I did with my iPhone 17, this Qi2.2 charger beats Apple's 25 watts MagSafe charger by a whopping 40 minutes when it comes to charging from the 0 to 80% range, and up to 1 hour and 50 minutes faster from the 0 to 100% range. That is a pretty big time advantage, and the average temperature of the iPhone 17 is also quite a bit cooler when on the ESR charger, thanks to the Cryoboost technology, which is basically a fan that is built inside the wireless charger. The fan essentially helps to cool down your phone while it is charging, because heat is the biggest enemy that prevents your phone from charging faster than it should, and it should also help to prolong the longevity of your batteries. It includes an Apple Watch charging adapter as well, which ESR told me that they have improved the charging speed significantly over the previous generation. I will be doing a longer dedicated review of this charger with more test results, such as comparing the Apple Watch and iPhone 17 charging speed with the older version, and also comparing the iPhone 17 charging speed with a case on. So be sure to subscribe if you want to get notified when the video is released. But if you want to get this wireless charger right now because you're already impressed with the charging performance, I do have a 25% site-wide promo code and an affiliate link in the description below, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. Next up, the Telesin Camera Kit. If you are a serious mobile photographer, then this MagSafe camera grip will be such an ergonomic accessory for you. The camera grip itself works on both iPhones and Android, and it attaches to your phone via MagSafe magnets. You just need to connect to the camera grip via Bluetooth, and then you can use the shutter button to take a photo or start a video without ever touching the screen. You can also use the zoom rocker to zoom in and out of the photo without pinching your fingers together on the screen. There is another wheel at the front that lets you switch between the different camera modes as well, like cinematic mode, slow motion, or time lapse. I find that the ergonomic benefits really shines when you need to take bottom-up shots where there's not really a comfortable grip to use in this position. And no matter whether you are shooting in vertical or horizontal orientation, you just need to rotate your phone without having to change your grip position. The only caveat is that when your phone is positioned vertically, you can't use ultra-wide mode because some of your fingers will get caught in the shot. Although Telesin does sell various filters that you can attach to your phone, they are only compatible with iPhone 17 Pro models because you have to use their phone case that comes with the kit in order to mount those filters. There are actually a few more features that this camera grip offers that I haven't touched on, so if you're interested in finding out more about it, let me know in the comment section below and I'll do a more in-depth review on it in the future. Next up, Wallpaper Pack. Okay, I know this is a bit of a shameless plug, but I do want to take this chance to announce that I've released a new acrylic wallpaper pack. I think that wallpapers are one of the most cost-effective options to give your phone, laptop, or desk a fresh new look. This is especially so if you have an ultra-wide monitor on your desk because the wallpaper will take up even more presence in your room. Given that we unlock our devices more than 10 to 20 times a day, I think choosing the right wallpaper can change your mood, and if you pair it with a phone case with matching colors, it's gonna look even cooler. Maybe I'm biased because I sell wallpapers, but I myself have spent more than $100 purchasing wallpapers from other content creators, so I do mean it when I say that I place a lot of importance on wallpapers. For this wallpaper pack, I've chosen the color combinations meticulously, and after hundreds of prompts and images generated using Midjourney, I've come up with 9 vibrant wallpapers. To ensure that they look ultra sharp on any screen, they have been upscaled to 8K resolution with a pretty expensive software that I purchased. So if this wallpaper pack fits your vibes, then feel free to check it out in my online store, and I'm sure you will be super happy with the look. Next up, the TEKMOMO Leather iPhone case. If you have an iPhone Air or iPhone 17 Pro and you miss the leather iPhone cases that Apple used to produce, here are 2 high quality but affordable ones from TEKMOMO. TEKMOMO is a brand that is owned by a fellow YouTuber, Kasim Zafar, if I got your name correctly, and he has sent me 2 of these cases to try. I'm very impressed with the quality of the leather, and there is even a nice leather smell to it. The leather material feels naturally grippy in the hands even if you have sweaty palms. The buttons are very firm, making them feel very responsive. There is extra reinforcement for the lenses, which make it look more protective and durable. The owner of TEKMOMO has told me that he has intentionally made the cases to be not too thick so that it doesn't add too much bulk to the phone, and especially for the iPhone Air, you still get the really nice in-hand feel even with the case on. Perhaps the only complaint that I have is that it takes quite a bit of force to remove the iPhone 17 Pro case because the fit is pretty tight. It's not an issue for the iPhone Air version because there is a bottom cutout which makes it more flexible and easier to remove. I would love it if there can be more color options like a burgundy or a dark brown version because I think leather looks great in those colors, especially when they start to patina over time. So if you're interested in these premium leather phone cases, do check out the link in the description below to get one for yourself. Next up, the Benks Armor Pop phone grip. What caught my eye with this MagSafe accessory is how thin and light it is despite having 2 features built into it. It has a foldable flap in the middle which you can open up to put your finger through like a phone grip, and I like that it is not too snug and there is still some room for ventilation. Because with other phone grips, the strap can feel a little too tight and it makes my finger feel a little numb or sweaty after some time. There is also a hinged metal ring that can be opened and placed up to prop up your phone while watching videos or browsing social media. Despite having those 2 features, this MagSafe accessory weighs just 22 grams and is only 3.9mm thick. Benks have stated that it is made of Kevlar to keep it strong and light at the same time, although I'm not sure what percentage of it is actually made of Kevlar. But I'm certain that this MagSafe accessory adds very little bulk or weight to your phone, and it doesn't bulge out of your pockets unlike some other MagSafe accessories. The MagSafe magnets are also pretty strong and it has never come off my phone by accident before. So I think that this MagSafe accessory from Benks is a pretty good choice if you want the ring grip and adjustable stand feature in one clean and lightweight little package. I've links in the description if you're interested, so feel free to check it out. Alright, that's all for this week's Tech Uncovered video series. If you can't get enough of interesting tech products, why not check out the previous episode right over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next episode at the end of this month. Bye bye.